AI is not here to replace you. But here's the key takeaway. AI is here to amplify your expertise. Because as a project manager, you still set the vision. You lead the team and you make the critical decisions. AI simply gives you the tools to do it better. My name is Mohammed Nabtiti, a certified project management professional, risk management professional, and a PMI by AI professional. Generative AI doesn't just save time. As a project manager, it also enhances the quality of your work. When you use it to automate repetitive tasks, for example, it allows you to focus on what matters most: strategy, innovation, leadership, stakeholders, communication. When it comes to communication, for example, we know that effective communication is at the heart of any successful project. But drafting communication plans, creating status reports, and managing meeting minutes can be tedious. Generative AI tools can automatically generate meeting minutes for you. It can generate action items for you. For example, if you're using Microsoft Teams to conduct meetings, make sure you record the meeting. You can go later to the recap section of the meeting and use Copilot to generate the AI summary. And if you don't have the Copilot license, here's a free workaround. Open the recorded video in Microsoft Stream. Under Settings, go to the Transcript section and generate the transcript. A few minutes later, you can download this transcript and you can either attach it or copy-paste it in ChatGPT or Gemini and simply ask the bot to generate the minutes of meeting and highlight the action items for you. Now this saves you a lot of time and effort, taking notes, summarizing notes, compiling the minutes of meeting, asking colleagues to review what you missed in the notes, and all of that hassle. Generative AI tools can also generate polished communication plans for you. So that's one big chore of the list. But you need to give it the best prompt so it generates the best result for you. A good prompt needs to include as many details as possible about the project. It needs to include the project context, who the stakeholders or the target audience are, what's the purpose of your communication plan, what's the frequency, what's the preferred communication channel, and the success metrics, and of course mention any challenges or constraints that you might have in your project.